Hello there and welcome in another part. Um, so with this UV done, let's go ahead and let's quickly work in this part. Um, in this part, we're not gonna use automatic mapping. We instead of gonna use planar mapping. So go to face component, select the faces, all of those. Uh, to be honest, it's gonna be easier if we're gonna just isolate selection and let's start selecting edges. And we know that this part is beveled, so let's select this one and just one part of the beveled edge. Let's go to planar mapping and just click in this box on the right. What we're gonna see, we're just gonna reset, and we see now blue one, and this is the Z direction. So we're gonna project, like, put the best plane. Actually, not the best. It's gonna be better if we're gonna project from Z direction and click apply. Now let's do the same and still select the second edge. Let's make it closer. Uh, the beveled edge, and now that's gonna be X. So let's project from X, because red, and here red is X. Right, now let's do the same in the next phase. Again, it's gonna be Z. Click apply. And now X. With this done, you're just gonna go on the bottom, select this face, and project from Y. Okay. Now, let's go to UV texture editor, and we can see we have completely mess over here. So get to UV, select all, hold shift, right click, layout UVs, click this box, just reset and press apply. With this done, you're gonna see magic happen. Basically, it just layout UVs they are not gonna overlap. With this done, just select all the edges on one side. Don't select top one or bottom one, because here we see which edge we're selecting, and just saw them. Select those. You can see along this edge, and just saw it. Select those. Here again, we can see along this edge, and just saw it. Okay, all done. Select this one, Control and right click to show, and now Shift and unfold UVs. And what we can see here, nice unfold edge. I mean unfold UV. This one we can leave it like that. We can maybe scale it a bit. We're not really consider right now about that. So with this done, just reselect it, and what we can notice now, you can see our seam is just over here, this edge. That's not really convenient for us. We want to hide this edge somewhere here. So just select this one, double click, like click on the bottom one, later on double click on the top one, and we can see the edge over here. And this one where it's supposed to be seen, unfortunately is in the middle. So let's click this one, this button, separate the UVs along the selected edge, just click it, go to UVs, go to shell, and now we can see there are two separate pieces. Just put it over, select those edges, and just sew them together. And that's it. Now our seam is just hide it over here. Now we can just select those two and just make them layout. I don't really like how Maya put this one put this one along. I just like to make it straight, so it's just looking much better. And as we can see, it's looking nice and clean. Great. Now we're gonna get along with this. With this one, we can easily create automatic, and just we're just gonna select those edges and just sew them together. And we can see, yeah, and we have our box ready. And our seams are currently just along those edges, but we don't really need that now.